Mom Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, you are love personified.
Our intercessor,
You are a mother to the nations. Every person that looks up to you is blessed.
Thank you for all the lessons and all the teachings you give us.
and as a man, I've learned how to love.
You have taught us that we are beautiful and that we should be ourselves.
We are blessed to be called your children.
And we are going to take these teachings and we're going to instill them into our children.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you.